Analysis on Philippines' education system. Over the past few decades, the Philippine educational system has undergone a number of changes. However, there are still a lot of things that can be done better. In addition to outlining some of the current problems with the Philippine educational system, this article will offer recommendations for how it might be improved. The lack of resources in the education system in the Philippines is one of its biggest problems. Schools are underfunded, which causes overcrowding and a lack of contemporary instructional materials. It can be challenging for teachers to give each student their undivided attention in classrooms where there are frequently more students present than the space can hold. Numerous schools also lack essential supplies like computers and textbooks. The quality of education that students receive is negatively impacted by this. The emphasis on memorization and rote learning in the Philippine educational system is another problem. Without really understanding the underlying concepts, this method of instruction encourages students to memorize facts and figures. As a result, they might find it difficult to put what they have learned to use in practical situations. Furthermore, this method of education does not encourage creativity and critical thinking. The lack of support for teachers in the Philippine educational system is the third problem. Due to their underpayment and excessive workload, many teachers lack motivation and enthusiasm. This might result in a decline in the standard of instruction given to students. Additionally, a lot of teachers lack the tools and preparation needed to be efficient teachers. Finally, there is a lack of adequate future preparation in the Philippine educational system. The skills necessary for success in the modern world are not being taught to students. This is because career-oriented subjects like STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics and others aren't given enough attention. To give students the best education possible, the educational system in the Philippines needs to be improved. In order to give schools the resources they need, the government should increase funding for education. Teaching strategies that encourage creativity and critical thinking should also be prioritized. To be effective educators, teachers should also receive the necessary resources and support. Finally, in order to better prepare students for the future, STEM and other career-oriented subjects should receive more attention in the classroom.